Then go to body build and press R6 BC. Without R6, it won't work. Just 280 robux for the whole build. Get a black dark hair. And you need iron both the name of the head. Then press the 3 lines and go to avatar. Then go up to roblox, con and press AA, then press desktop. Press advance and go to head. Turn it to black. Enjoy, like, and subscribe for more vids like this.